organizing a sport called Samurai Championship 2021. This is a national event which we are organizing in Bidar. So to organize, we need a committee, working committee. So for that, like today, we have formed a committee with the president as Mr. Shrikant Modiji as the president of this working committee, and also like to have the sportsmen, have the students for the sports, like we need the travel and all those things. So travel facilities and all. For that, like we have made a travel chairman as Shri Chikpase Kamsiti sir, who is also the chairman of Naveen Public School. So thank you very much for coming forward for the travel things, and also to publish all our contents, like all our programs, all our sports events. So definitely we need social media and other approaches to take this event to the people through social media and information technology. So for that, like we have made Sri Satish Swamiji as the chairman for that, and also like we have Sri Suryakant More sir, who is the father of Sweet More, who is being like working as the vice president of this particular committee, and also the secretary for this committee is Sweet More himself. So we all are very eager to have you here in Bidar, and we want you to come here and enjoy Bidar and enjoy the sport like Samurai. So yeah. And I am like Mr. Sachidanand Chidre. I am the working president for this committee. So thank you for making me as a working committee. So we are looking forward all the students who are participating from the entire nation. Like we are having, we are expecting, like we are having the sportsmen from Kerala. We are getting the students from Jammu and Kashmir, Orissa, and different parts of the nation. So this is the first time it is happening in Bidar National Championship, so that it's all our even opportunity for all the Bidarites to come here and watch this sport. This is just a wonderful sport, like which you can see the samurai, which is called like a sword competition kind of thing. So which is going to be like very exciting, and we are very happy to host you, all the students coming from the nation. So I
welcome all the participants, referees, judges coming from different parts of India to Bidar. This is the first time which we are holding this national samurai competition here in Bidar. I welcome everybody. As you all know, samurai, it is one of other name we call in Kannada as a Samarakale. It's a martial art, again went from Kerala to different part of the world, and various people started calling in a different names, and the first time this was being used was in during the freedom struggle, where our Indian National Army, which was formed by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So they have used this samurai in their national army, where they have given a formal training, and which was pretty much used to fight back with the Britishers then, which really helped out, pressurized during the World War II for Britishers to give up. Smartly they said that we are handing over the nation on non-violence, but there is a big time efforts which has been taken by various different freedom struggle patriots during that time. And over a period of time, somehow it got diminished, and it's again we are trying to bring back the martial art which went from India to different parts of the world, and it is coming back to the motherland. So let us all again come together and support this samurai martial art to gain its own history and the name and fame what it had, and it really is necessary in this today's context, wherein all-round development is required, where especially the younger generation need to develop in all the possible ways like intellectual, physical and spiritual. All-round development would really help out. So that's why we welcome everybody again. Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we will conclude this web and social media conference by here. Again, welcome you all to be there. Thank you so much.